Hello, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. May I know your name?
My name is Lali Khatun.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm also fine. What's your name?
My name is Najia Parveen
Nazia. From where are you?
from Dhumnagar.
Tumnagar. Do you study? Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you, and you?
I'm also fine. May I know your name, please?
My name is Nazia
Nazia. From where are you?
from Dhumnagar.
Tumnagar. Do you study?
I have just passed my 12th class,
What's your hobby?
playing badminton,
Badminton. And what's your favorite food?
puri and sabzi.
Puri and sabji. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. What's your name?
My name is Amarjit Kumar Jaiswal.
Sorry?
My name is Amarjit Kumar Jaiswal.
Amarjit Kumar Jaiswal. From where are you?
I am from Sahib Chhapra.
Sab Chhapra. Where is Sab Chhapra?
Sahib Chhapra near to Madipur.
Okay. Do you study?
Yes, I do.
In which class? Hello, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm also fine. May I know your name, please?
My name is Manzar Alam.
Manzar Alam. From where are you?
I am from Birsa Bathua.
Birsa Mathua. Uh, do you study?
Yes, I do.
In which class do you study?
I am doing BSc first semester.
Which college?
Zai Bahadur Shahi
Where is Jai Bahadur Sai?
in Devariya.
In Devariya. Okay. What's your father?
My father is farmer.
Farmer. What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a doctor.
Doctor. Okay. What's your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket.
Have you joined any extra courses?
Ye- Yes, I have
Which course?
spoken English.